front of me is Samsung Galaxy M35, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard. Then click on the microphone icon at the bottom left corner. If it's not visible, just like in my case, use this gear at the top. Scroll down in Samsung keyboard settings and click on voice input section. Then decide if you wish to apply Samsung or Google voice input. I will start with Samsung. After tapping on it, go back to your keyboard and click on no visible microphone. Then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on the same microphone again. If you wish to use Google voice input instead, after tapping on the microphone icon, you will see a blue button with a white microphone, which means that voice typing is on. If you wish to stop, tap on the button. If you want to go back to your standard keyboard, click on this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!